guys, welcome back to another mask review. I hope the New Year's is treating you guys just right. So today I'm going to share about my first-hand impression on the Body Shop's Pumpkin Instant Radiance In Shower Mask. Hands down, I'm a big fan of radiant masks. That's only because any mask that helps to shine away my dull skin, I'm all in for it, guys. I knew I had to get my hands on the pumpkin mask when it was on demand across all Body Shop stores because they were the fall edition. So my first impression, it's 5 out of 5, and let me tell you guys why. The mask is a creamy pumpkin paste that looks like a soft whipped cream and easily lathers on the skin. I have sensitive skin and usually not all products go well with my face, but this pumpkin mask was okay. I did not feel any kind of itch or burning sensation or whatsoever. It was rather a very relaxing skincare for me. Pumpkin generally contains vitamin A, C and E and antioxidant which help to fight sun damage and wrinkles. It also has fruit enzyme that help to naturally exfoliate dead skin cells. Let me do that again. It also has fruit enzyme that help to naturally exfoliate dead skin cells. There's also bits of cranberry fruit powder in the mask that's also known for exfoliating properties, so it leaves the skin feeling clean and smooth after you wash them off. So all you need is just 5 minutes of your time to spare and you can get your skin radiating in no time. The mask says that it's an in-shower mask, which I believe you could wear it on while you take a warm bath or a shower, but since I had a really long day at work, I just wanted to indulge myself in a good night care, and this pumpkin mask did just right for me. So there you have it, guys. Radiant skin in under 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. Bye.